Hi there, thanks for tuning in. I'm Alice, Product Marketing Manager at Pentest-Tools.com, bringing you the latest product highlights. Let's unpack what our team developed to make your security workflows more efficient. Our proprietary website scanner just got more powerful for you and your team. There's a new Validate with SQLi Exploiter button in the scanner. Found an SQL Injection vulnerability? Validate it instantly with the click of a button. Our SQLi Exploiter autofills details like HTTP methods, post data, and test parameters. We've also added insecure deserialization detection for Python-based applications in the scanner's active module. Plus, now you can whitelist subdomains for broader scan coverage. By default, we're whitelisting API, but you can customize your subdomain scanning under the custom scan settings for even more control. We're always looking for ways to improve how you can chain our tools for more and better findings. That's why, when the network scanner detects a login interface, you'll now see a Scan with Password Auditor button. Click it and the scanner automatically fills in fields like target, ports, and service for faster detection. Not 1 month passes without adding new proof of exploitation to our proprietary offensive tool, Sniper Auto Exploiter. The tool can now exploit authentication bypass and remote code execution vulnerabilities in Palo Alto Networks Expedition. These can allow a remote attacker to bypass the authentication mechanism and compromise your internal network. Prove exploitation easily and integrate this update into your offensive workflows. You asked, we listened. The Joomla Scanner is now part of our API, ready to use directly from your scripts. The How to Reproduce section in our Cloud Scanner findings now includes the AWS command, so you can easily validate your results. We saved the best for last. You can now schedule weekly or monthly scans with the free plan. It's even easier to maintain regular monitoring with this update. To see how it works, check out the quick video linked in a couple of seconds and in the description. Go try it and let us know what you think. It's a wrap for our favorite hacker playground, DefCamp 2024. We couldn't be more excited for all the rewarding conversations with cybersecurity pros from around the world, the creativity and curiosity of the hacker spirit, and the gratitude for everyone who stopped by to chat, ask questions, and share ideas with us. Plus, this year, our colleagues Alex Postolache and Cătălin Iovița presented their research on fuzzing the most popular server-side HTML sanitizers to see how they handle A tags with an unexpected structure. The talk will soon be available on YouTube, so subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and don't miss it. That's all for now. Until next time, happy hacking!